Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called commodity. A commodity is a basic goods used in commerce that is interchangeable with other goods of the same type. Commodities are most often used as the input in the production of other goods and services. The quality of a given commodity may differ slightly, but it is essentially uniform across all the producers. When they are traded on an exchange, commodity must also meet specified minimum standard, also known as a basic grade. The basic idea is that there is a little differentiation between a commodity coming from one producer and the same commodity from another producer. A barrel of oil is basically the same product regardless of the producer. By contrast, for electronic merchandise, the quality and the features of a given product may be completely different depending on the producer. Some traditional examples of commodity include grains, gold, beef, oil, and natural gas. More recently, the definition has expanded to include financial products such as foreign currencies and other indexes or indices. Technological advances have also led to new type of commodity being exchanged in the marketplace. For example, cell phone minutes and bandwidth. Commodities are the basic goods and materials that are widely used and are not meaningfully differentiated from one another. Some more examples of commodity can include barrels of oil, wheat, megawatt hours of electricity. Commodity have long been an important part in commerce, but in recent decades, the trading of commodities have become increasingly standardized. Like all assets, commodity prices are ultimately determined by supply and demand. For example, a booming economy might lead to increased demand for oil and other energy commodities. Supply and demand for commodity can be impacted in many ways, such as economic shocks, natural disaster, and investor aptitude. Investor may purchase commodity as the inflation edge if they expect inflation is expected to rise. Thanks for watching. Bye.